What would be the monthly principal and interest payment on a $165,000 loan given at an annual rate of 3.75% for 30 years with a factor of 4.63? To do this problem, let's start how we often start, which is make a T-bar. And you know the easiest thing to place in a T-bar is a rate, and the first rate we come to is 3.75. And that is a rate of annual interest. And if I wrote rate of annual interest at the bottom, I'll be writing amount of annual interest at the top. And when you pay interest, you're paying a percentage of the original loan amount. Okay, now that I've labeled my T-bar, let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. Well, we know our rate. We know our original loan amount is $165,000. So when I multiply, I find my annual interest to be $6,187.50. Now I found that, but that's not what we're looking for. We're actually looking for a monthly principal and interest payment. So let's make another T-bar and go to our next rate. And it turns out our next rate is this factor. This factor is saying, hey, the buyer is going to pay $4.63 for every $1,000 that they borrow. So let's make that into a T-bar. So I put my T-bar here, and our rate is 4.63, which is actually $4.63. So that is a rate of principal and interest. And this is going to be the amount of principal and interest. And what happens is, like I mentioned, you pay the $4.63 for every $1,000 that are borrowed. Okay, well, if the loan was $165,000, we need to divide by 1,000. And so the easy way to do that, we find out there's 165 thousands in a $165,000 loan. We'll multiply that by 4.63, and that tells us that the monthly P&I will be $763.95. So really, this word factor is a fancy word for rate of P&I. And you use that factor to find the amount of monthly PI payments. And remember, if it's an amortized loan, it's going to stay the same the entire life of the loan. Again, our answer is $763.95. I hope this helps, and as always, if you have any questions, just let me know.